let's open this stuff up. White beaters. I kind of forgot what I got already. It's this beard colored stuff. So highly recommended by some of my girlfriends. This is for the little areas right here. So I'm gonna be putting those little things on my, whatever you call them. Oh yeah, it's lit. Some LED lights for the corner living room. So my living room doesn't really get the best lighting, so I bought these because I need more light. That's it. So let's set it up. I bought this a while ago. I had two on each side and it just didn't really look good in the living room. So right here, I have my big one. Let me show you. So this one, remember? And so I'm going to replace this one and put more of a sleek looking LED light in the corner. So I'm gonna put one right here and put another one over there. That way I have 3 lights. That way the living room is a little bit more lit up. So let's set it up. I'm gonna try to do this without instructions. Wish me luck. Glue this stuff together too. This thing's kind of a pain in the ass, honestly. So annoying. Oh, come on, man. Like, bro, what is this? All right, let's test it out first. Oh, it works. Why did it bend like that? It's kind of leaning over. I want it straight. That's ugly. Maybe I have to tighten it up a little bit. Oh my God, that is ugly, bro. What the fuck? Oh, that's why. It was, there's this little thing so the cord gets out the way. So let me put it in there. There we go. So I'm talking about, I'm supposed to have a remote control for this thing too. You already know. Let's get it. Come on, man. Look at that. That's pretty. Oh, it don't even work, bro. My remote doesn't work. What the fuck? Oh, because like this little, that makes sense. Shit. So I don't know if my remote is gonna work for this light because there's a little sensor, but it's gonna be behind the couch. So how's that gonna work? You know what I'm saying? And then so I have an extension cord behind the couch, so it should reach. I'm gonna have to pull it. Right in this corner. Oh no. No. Shit. All right, that was a pain in the ass. How to like make it as straight as possible looking. So as you can tell, it's right there, but there's hella light in here, so you can't really see it. My other dilemma, I can't even talk. My other dilemma is, see, it's not straight. So my other thing is, now if I wanted a different color, I'm gonna have to use this remote control, but you can't change the colors. So now I gotta figure out some shit that's gonna, like, this is ghetto. Look what I'm doing, bro. I gotta go all the way behind this couch, find the little receiver. You still can't even find it, bro. Oh, see, now I can do it. But that's thirsty. I'm not about to be doing that. So let me go to white and then turn up the brightness. So now I just want white in the corner, you know what I'm saying? Turn up the brightness on. So that's like kind of like an orange tint. I don't like that shit. And that's like all white. Okay. Let me get from behind this couch. I think I'm starting to become a perfectionist because the way this is looking right now, it's not straight. That's good. So look at this thing, man. Now I have light. See, the light would fade kind of like in the middle. So over here in this corner, it would be super dark. But now I got light. You see what I'm saying? And I still can't really change the colors. Maybe if I go below. Oh, look. I gotta go underneath the couch. That's crazy. Look, that's way too extra. Now I gotta put one in this corner. I have an old one, but as you can tell, it has this kind of leg, and it's just kind of in the way of the entrance to the patio. So I'm gonna install this one right here. Twist this around like that. Throw it right up in that corner. Crooked. Perfect. Just like that. We winning. So now, let's hopefully one controller can control two. Doesn't look like it, but they do have an app and you can power it by Alexa. So check it out, phone app. Voice control, Bluetooth, dimmable. So I'm gonna try to basically program it so I can basically control it with my voice. Let's do that next. 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 Cool. So download free app. All right, so I gotta download the app, so I'll be right back. Okay, I got some exciting stuff. Let me turn off all the lights so you guys can see basically an example of what I'll be doing at nighttime, right? So I programmed it. Alexa, turn off the lights in the living room. Alexa, turn on the lights in the living room. It's lit, let's go. I forgot to mention, so I'm gonna get a smart light bulb for this. And then for I'm about to smart light bulb this whole place out. Even, maybe even the kitchen lights right here. And then when I get ready to go to sleep, I just say, hey, turn off all the lights. And then it just goes completely black. So I'm looking forward to that. I might have to call maintenance to get that figured out. Oh yeah, also let me know in the comments if that's too much. Am I doing too much right now? Let me know. This place is super touristy. I even feel like a tourist because I don't come here a lot, but as you can tell, the sun is setting and people are out, you know what I'm saying, from all walks of life, from all over the place in this entire world. You should see the waves right now. It's freaking crazy, but sorry for the mic. Like I said, it's a little windy right now, but yeah, just beautiful. Everyone's just kind of just hanging out right now, chilling, and I just want you to be able to enjoy this as well. This is why I moved to California, all right? So I'm literally like 10 feet away from the ocean, and I just can't even gas this up anymore. It's just amazing, and that golden hour is hitting right now. So now I'm off to Starbucks. I need some espresso and a little snack. All right, so super hungry. Got my avocado toast. Yes, it's definitely a Cali thing. And then a lavender tea latte. So yeah, gotta eat, fuel up again. So let me smash this real quick. Phone needs first. Shit. Damn, I need some napkins for this shit. This is serious. That's what she said. A little heavy on the feta though, but.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah.
I like feta. I like Greek salads.
How's your tea or
coffee?
Coffee.
Good. Did you try your tea?
They gave me a lot of avocado though. And we back at it with another ThreadBeast review. Let's get straight into it and open this box up. Let me open it up this way for y'all. Check it out. All right. So the first thing looks like a hoodie. It's actually a jacket. So jacket by Grizzly, got some neutral colors and everything. Check it out. Nice and thick too, I like that. So I live in San Diego. It doesn't get crazy cold out, but it does get pretty chilly if you're by the beach. So this is a good look. We got a beanie as well. This one's by Original Penguin. I don't really rock beanies, but we're gonna find out if I look good in it. And then we got the black scale oversized tee. I like this one. It's a little bit thinner, but I like oversized tees. So I'm definitely gonna rock this. Real urban vibes. And yeah, I can probably rock a fitted with this with some all black jeans and some blazers or something, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited to try this one out. And then we got some, ooh, yes, let's go. These are so soft, you don't even know. So these are what is this called? Let me look at the brand real quick. So these are Buffalo David Bitten, and nice little pattern to it. These are regular jeans. They're not slim fit, they're not oversized. Probably some nice jeans to rock with that white tee over there actually. But just really soft, so yeah. And then, ooh, I love black. My favorite color is black, so this is so soft too. Ooh, this is comfy looking. What size is this one? So this is a large, and the brand is called Crisp. I like that. It's clean. You know what I'm saying? Minimalistic. Got the little pockets right here. Little hoodie vibes. Let's see. All right, what else? And then I got another tee. Some nice little beige. This is gonna go good with my skin. I would say like I'm like, I don't even know. Caramel? Pause. But like, look at this. This tee is a little bit thicker. Look at the graphic on it. What does it say? It says atom bomb. So basically an atom bomb with the wings on it. Hella mean mugging. But yeah, so I'm really liking it. We got some neutral tones, and then we got some minimalistic, all white and all black kind of stuff. So let's try it on now. This actually takes a lot of time. The little overhaul, like the fashion overhaul. Is that how you say it? Fashion haul. Like, yeah, okay, let me just, come on. Cargo, I got some Zara cargos just to switch it up. So, you know, we're gonna try on everything else, but I just brought these in case, you know, just to give you guys a little bit of variety. All right, bet. So we got the first t-shirt on. This is a tan atom bomb with the wings on it. I like the size. The length is actually pretty decent, you know what I'm saying? I'd probably wear some baggier jeans because these jeans are a little bit skinnier, you know what I mean? But I see the vibes, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it goes really good with my skin. Pull out the change, you know what I'm saying? And then we just keep it moving. You see what I'm saying right here? So I got the baggier jeans on, and this is a good mix. I'm saying the tan kind of blends in with these jeans a little bit. And then if I throw on the blazers, right, we good to go. All right, just wanted to give you a little bit of contrast, but yeah, it's a decent casual outfit right here. Got something in my eyeballs, bro. Bro, come on, man. All right, what the fuck? All right, I'm tweaking. All right, check it out. So I really like this t-shirt because it's not crazy oversized. It's just right for me. And low key, it hugs around the neck. I don't like loose crew neck kind of stuff where you can see my collarbone. So this right here is a perfect t-shirt. It's got a little design on the back, so it just keeps people curious, like, oh, what's that? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. But yeah, man, this is a really good fit. I really like it. This kind of gives me like summertime vibes, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, I really like it. And this is probably gonna be like one of my favorite t-shirts. All right, so this is one of my favorite sweaters, honestly. It's super soft. Again, it's tight around the neck, so it's not like drooping down. I don't like all this being super loose like that and sloppy looking. So just like real black hoodie. It's a really good size. So I'm 6'2", you know what I'm saying? It's not like super young on the wrists. It doesn't come down too far. It's not super high. I hate sweaters like this. I'm good. I like it right around here, and then we just keep it pushing. But yeah, overall, this is great. Just super casual. It looks super comfy and cozy. Let's get it. So like I said before, I've never worn a beanie before, but you know what I'm saying? This is why I do ThreadBeast, because it's like they recommend things, and you know what? I want to get outside my comfort zone. So check out the beanie. Let me know in the comments if it's a vibe. Let me know. I might actually step out. What you think? Let me know. This is the one right here. This is the winner, yo. All right, so the jacket, it looks heavier, but it's not. It's pretty light, good size, like, I guess, warmth capabilities, you know what I mean? It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's just right. Pockets. So one thing about the pockets, they're way back here. So you kind of have to and then put your hand in there, you know what I mean? But other than that, I don't really do that too much, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not like a timid type of person that walks like this. I'm strutting my stuff and I'm walking, you know what I mean? So I really like it. Hella pockets, you know what I mean? It's got the little zip up as well. So check it out. And yeah, man, I think it looks good with the hat too, you know what I'm saying? Let's try it on with the beanie now. Where's it at? This is definitely giving Colorado right here. You know what I mean? It looks like I just grew up in Denver or something. But I like it, you know what I mean? This is also SoCal, you know what I mean? Maybe I might go hit up Big Bear or something. This is my little getaway Airbnb. Let me stop playing. But yeah, man, this is probably a really cozy winter outfit, you know what I mean? You might go chill at the beach at the bonfire with this thing and, you know, cuddle up with a little baddie. But yeah, I really like this, and thanks for tuning in, y'all. I want to thank you for clicking on my video. I'm not a fashion guru. I'm actually in tech sales, and I vlog the day in my life kind of stuff. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and watch some of my videos, because I'm really liking the vlogging stuff, and it really just puts a smile on my face. It sounds kind of cliche, but my role in the corporate world is very mundane. So this kind of gives me a creative outlet to just have fun and just document my life. So I really appreciate you for clicking on my video once again, and subscribe if you fuck with me. Let's get it. Forgot about the thumbnail. Oh, come on. Thumbnail vibes. Should I do some clickbait? Be like hella thirsty with it? Nah, hell no. Should I smile? Nah, like this. Should I just look at it like I'm in love? Confidence. We in there.